Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Have you completed this part, creating table? Everyone.
Yes.
So after creation of table, second assignment, exercise 2, alter table and drop table. So alter table, they have given table name, the create table student, roll number, name, date of birth. These are the fields of student table. Add new column into student relation, named address. They have given the name of the column that you have to add into the student relation. And data type is the text. A text data type means here you will use varchar2 of, you will write the number over there. For example, 30. And a column phone of data type integer. Two columns you have to add into table student. So this is your exercise 2. Alter table command we have to first you will create the table student with the three fields roll number, name and date of birth. After create table you have to add two more column into that table using alter table command. So this is your exercise 2. With this drop table is also there. So this is your in exercise 2 this is your first question. In the second question you have to create the table driver. What are the fields? License number, name, address, and perform the following queries. So these queries we have to perform on the table. Same table, third table is game. Okay. We will, I think we will complete one part here, this one. So same thing is you will get in this next table also. Or we will complete this part because it is containing more part, that is modify table is also there. Here only add, okay, modify is also here. So we can complete any one here right now, and same way you can complete other two parts. So simultaneously with the lecture also we are going to completing the exercise. Okay. So what is the table name? We will go with this table. You complete these two parts afterward. That will be your exercise 2. And in this exercise we have to complete these 2 points, alter table command and drop table command. So first create this game table with the name, number of player, captain, underscore name. This is the name. Name is the name of the game name. So here they have made this part name as a primary key. If they have given only these 3 points, then you have to make this first field as a primary key, because that name is unique. So we can make this field as a primary key. So create table game. Hmm. Check the create table command. First create table, the command create table. Only we have to change the attribute names. Create table game. Then what are the attributes? Name. Don't give name as it is because this name is the keyword. If you are getting different color, except black, if you are getting different color to any word, means that word is a keyword in this particular language. So you cannot use keyword as your variable name. So if you write here name, color is different than black one. So this is the keyword. So you cannot use this type of word as your variable name or attribute name. So you can rename it, rename or bin name. Hmm? So integer not null. Here we are going to make this as a primary key. So we will write primary key over here also. First attribute is the name, integer name. यहाँ पे गेम नेम तो varchar 2 bracket 15 varchar to 15 primary key not null. Hmm? Then which is the next field?
Number
Number
of
of
layer.
player. Number of player means it is going to take integer type of value. It is asking you number. So integer type of value it will take. Number of player. It will take integer value. So not null. We can write this constraint. No problem. Captain name. Third is the captain name. Captain name varchar to 20. Okay, not null. Only three columns are there. So I have mentioned here game name, that is varchar to 15, and I have made this primary key. Then number of player, integer is the data type. Then captain name, varchar is the data type. Create table. Execute this. Invalid statement check. Where is the wrong? Everything is right. We will check whether we do primary key for character or not. And I will write here number. I'm checking game number. INT. Means here we cannot give primary key for that particular for the text. So keep your table as it is G name because they have given that field. This is just for practice how to create tables. So this is just for practice. So we will not write here number for primary key. Varchar to whatever question they have asked accordingly you can create the table. Name is already used. Yes, I have just created this game one. Table created. That's it. Done this part.
Yes, yes.
Now next, after creation of this table, we have to perform all these operations. So first is add new column game number. Now we are going to add this game number of data type integer. So add this number. For adding this number, what you have to write? Alter table command. So for this adding, what is the logic? Alter table command here. For adding this one. So alter table, your table name, that is game. I will write game one because game is already created. In using game one, I have actually created this table. So alter table game one, add game number, and after that int. They have given that statement. Add new column game number of data type integer. So here table is already created. I will write here alter table game. Alter table game. Then what we have to add? New column. So add keyword will be there. Column. Then which column we are going to add? Game number. Here. Game number. This column we are going to add And what is the data type? They have given data type, that is integer.
Integer.
That's it. Execute this. Invalid identifier. Check whether this column. We have to remove this column. Yes, in last lecture also we have changed this. Remove this column. Table altered. This new field is added. So in Word file you will write the all commands for all this question. You will write this question or copy paste the question on Word file here. Then first create command, that create table command you will paste it here. I have removed that one. Create table command you will paste it here. Then alter table command. This is first question. First question answer. I will paste from. This is the answer of the first question. Alter table. So same way solve the second one. What is the second question? Alter table by adding constraint uppercase to captain name. Now here we have to add constraint uppercase to captain name. Have you seen this part? Constraint uppercase. In which lecture we have seen this part? Conversion into uppercase. In the relational algebra, I think we have seen this part, right? Uppercase relational model. Now we have to change the have you seen this part? Uppercase. Yes.
No, miss.
Maybe I have taken in another class. Uppercase constraint in SQL. Alter table, table name, add constraint. CK. Till then you can solve this. Modify table by adding column game duration. Game duration. Add this column. Same logic will be there for adding column. Here you will decide the data type. Data type you write here for this time integer only. Game duration 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. We will take the duration in integer only. So add that column. Till that time I will check the second question. Hmm? Yes. Complete that. Till that time I will Check the second question. Have you completed question number 3? Yes, everyone.
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Check your insert command whether it is working or not. Yes, it is working or no? Insert command. Care to yes. Here I have written two. That's why it is giving problem. Okay.
Ma'am, your screen is not showing.
Wait a minute. Here by mistake I have written two. That's why it was giving problem. So I will write C only. Execute. One row inserted. So these are the values inserted into this table. Insert table. Now first column, first question we have completed at game 1, in which table we have to insert game number, that is here. We have inserted this column after performing this operation. Now I am talking about second one. Third, you have completed third one. Now I am talking about second. We have to add constraint. We will check whether it is working or not. If not working, then I will try it, and after that I will send it again to you how to execute this one. Check upper captain name. Invalid statement. Okay, alter table. I will check this constraint and let you know how to execute this uppercase on particular column. Third, third one is modify table by adding column game duration. Here we have to insert one more column using add, that is game duration. What is the data type? Here we will give integer. Add table game 1, add game duration, alter table game 1, add game duration and data type. Table altered, just copy this, paste it on your Word file with number. Word. Now next we have to add column game type, new column. We have to add this column with the values cricket, hockey and tennis. Only these values we have to insert into this table. So we will check the code for this. Add column with the values cricket, tennis, game duration, that is done. So let's start from game. See here constraint is given. We will check this whether this is working or not. For the constraint, alter table. What is written? Alter table game. Add constraint captain name that we have already written. Add table name. Then add constraint captain underscore name. That table column name we have to write here. Captain name. Then check. Yes. Whether yes, it is written over here. Check captain name is equal to uppercase. Captain name equal to uppercase. In bracket, captain name. Captain name is equal to uppercase captain name. Two bracket close. Semicolon. Check at your side also. Uppercase invalid identifier. Upper. Okay. Cannot validate. Okay. Note it down. I will check this and let you know. Alter table command. We can add constraint using this way. Just note it down. I will tell you the changes. This here we are violating some part of the some normalization part. That's why it is not working. Cannot validate. Have you written this part? Alter table and constraint. This upper should be in this color. Color is not going to change here. Next, we have to add a new column that is game type. So next question, alter table, game 1, then add. What is the column name? Game type. Data type, and here we are sending the default value using default keyword. Default cricket, hockey and tennis. Invalid identifier. Which is done. Here we can set the values. These are the default values, cricket, hockey and tennis. That values we can add into this game type. So this is the code for that. Question number 4. If you want to set any default value for particular column, then we can use this code, alter table, table name, then add. On which column you are going to apply that default value, that column name, then data type of that column, default value. That default value in single quote we have to write all the values with comma separator. So cricket, hockey and tennis. This is written over here. After that, execute it. Table altered. So this is your question number 4, right? Question number, yes, 4. Done this part.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
Now last we have to drop the table. Remove game table from database. So drop command. Before this, you can show description command. So what columns are there that will be shown to the user. And after that, drop the table. So before that, description command, execute this description command. You will get here all the table columns with the constraint. Take a screenshot of this print screen and you can show your command execution over here. After execution of above command, this will be the table structure. And at last you will show drop command. After execution of that command, there will be nothing. So before that, you can show the structure of your table, how it looks. So this is the structure. It will contain game name of varchar data type, then number of layer of number data type or integer. Captain name is there of varchar. Then game number, we have added this column. Plus game duration and game type. We have inserted these 3 columns using alter table command. And last, now we have to apply drop command. So here just write drop table game 1. Execute this table drop. So this will be your fifth statement. of table game 1. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
I will check one more time that uppercase if it is not working. You have to complete remaining part of this exercise, these two questions, 1 and 2, that you can complete it after lecture. Just I will check one more time this uppercase, about this uppercase. If it is not working, then I will tell you. I will check it first and then I will create. You can also check from your side. First we have to create these fields. Here, this is working now. Table altered. Check this command, alter table, game 1, add constraint, your constraint name. This is the name on which column we are going to apply. That name is written here. Actually, it is not column name, it is a constraint name. This we have apply on which column? Captain underscore name. On this column, we are going to apply this constraint uppercase. So this is your question number 3. Done this? I have not used any constraint at this time while creation of table. Not null constraint was there in our previous create table. Here I have not added any constraint. Just this. This is the first constraint. Uppercase. Captain name. So insert. Complete that third question. Adding constraint. Now here we cannot insert a small case. Just check it with the capital letter. That constraint we have applied there. See, data is inserted now. Constraint is applied on the field captain name. This captain name, while insertion only, this captain name should be in capital. If it is small, it will throw error. Now, this is in small case, right? So when you execute this, you will get the error. And this was the violation that time also, but I was not getting actual meaning of this error. But now understood. Here we have to insert letter in capital form. And if you are trying to insert something small case letter, then it will throw error. That is the constraint we have applied on this column. Column number third, that is captain name. Captain name should be in capital form. That constraint we have applied using this query. Add table game 1, add constraint captain name, check captain name is equal to uppercase. Upper, sorry, only upper. So if you are check this, then it will take only capital letters. Otherwise, it will throw error. Now write everything in capital, so it will accept. One row inserted. Now you can check the values. Select start from game 1. So you can check the values. Tony and Sachin. Understood this? Third one, third question. It was second one. Sorry. Second question. Alter table game 1. Okay, done this part.
Yes, miss.
So complete remaining part of this assignment. Alter table. This one. Now next. So this is your exercise 2. The next assignment we will check here DML command. Only insertion is done, so we will complete this first. Other 2 queries also. After that, we will come to this exercise number 3. So only insertion we have covered. Updation and deletion is remaining, so we will complete this first. Then we will solve this exercise 3. So now check the second statement, that is update. So go with the flow. For the update statement, there should be one table with the values. To create any table, first create table. If you are having this game table, then keep it is as it is. Otherwise, customer table is there with you. You have all the code of customer table. Take a customer table only. Take a customer table as it is. Copy paste and create this table. If you are using online compiler, then every time you have to create the table. When you close that compiler, that table will nowhere there. So you have to create that table again. So create table customer execute. So after creation of table, we have to insert the record first. Then we can change or modify the record. First insert the record. First this creation of table is done. Everyone, you have already created this customer table. Just copy paste it here and create again. If it is already exist, then insert the record into that table. What are the fields? Number, name, address and city. So insert that record, insert into customer values. Values here insert value 1, comma, customer name, then address, camp, then are you working right? City. Insert 2, 3 record, at least 2, 3 record with different address. This is first, second, execute. One more record I will insert, then fire that update query. So insert the record into your table. Select. Click. You also have this type of records with you. Then and then only you can fire update query. So create table first, then insert the records. Done this part?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next we have to apply the update query. So what is the logic of update query? How we can write that? Update statement is used to update record in a table. You have already inserted record. After some time you feel that yes, this customer is not living in Pune. The customer is living in some other city. That time you can apply this update statement. So update, this is the syntax. Update is the keyword. Then your table name is here. After that, set is the keyword. What we are going to set, we have to change the values of particular column. So that column value you will write. For example, city is equal to, previously we have written there Pune, but actually that customer not living in Pune, he is living in Mumbai. So that time we can write here set city is equal to Mumbai. Which customer city, that column name we have to write here. Primary key column name should be here. So uniquely you are going to updating the record. Otherwise it will update the records of many available rows. We have to update the record of particular customer only. So here you will write the customer number. Which customer number? That customer number is equal to that value you will pass here. So this is the syntax of update statement. Update table name, set that column, which value you have to update, where the unique key field value here. For example, here they have given, let us update the price of pen from rupees 10 to 20. So this price, initially we have set here 10 for the pen price, that we have to update now 20. So what they have written, update is the keyword, then table name, set price is equal to 20. What value we have to change? That is here. And on which column we have to change that value? That should be here. Where item number is equal to 1. So same, you can take your table. This is the table. You can change the address also, or city also, or name also. You cannot change the primary key value. Primary key field that is unique. You cannot change this. You can change the values of these three fields. Update and your table name. Update customer, or you can write any other table name, no problem. Whatever table you are having, work on that table. Update customer, then set. What we are going to set? Address equal to. For example, here I will write Kharadi. Address is equal to Kharadi. Where we are going to change this part of set. Where we are going to change this part, this one. Here, this address we are going to change. What is the customer number? 1. So here you will write cust underscore number is equal to 1. This is the update query. Execute this. SQL command can not properly ended. Set customer address equal to update customer set price
Where
equal to
condition?
20. That is fine. Where? Okay. Where customer number is equal to 1. 1 row updated. Now you can check the record again. Select star from customer. Value is changed. So this is the update command. We can update the value using update command.
We can
Non-primary
update
key
primary.
field. No. You cannot update primary key value. That should be unique. Then and then only you can write it over there. But generally, we are not going to update that field because that is unique. Because these other fields are not unique. On what basis you are going to update this thing? This Rana should not here. Rana should not be repeat at this side. If it is repeated, same thing you are going to update here means there will be two customer with the same number, and that is not possible. If this is a primary key cannot contain the value twice, single value twice. So we cannot update primary key field using update command. Clear?
Yes, miss.
So this update command is done over here. Next, first before the select statement, we will take the delete. Whether it is delete, no, not given. I will tell you. I will tell you delete command. Now you have to delete this particular record. Delete the record number 3. So you can write delete from table name. Delete from table name. What here we have to write the condition. Delete from table name where first underscore number is equal to 3. Delete from customer where customer number is equal to 3. One row deleted. Note down this command. Delete from. These two are keyword. Then table name. Delete from table. Then again keyword is there where here we have to write the logic which record you want to delete. First underscore number is equal to 3. So third record I have deleted from here. Third customer record. So check whether that record is actually deleted or not. Select star from customer. From third record is deleted. So this is the third DML statement, delete command or delete statement. Done. Done delete statement.
Yes, miss.
So using that delete statement, I have told you delete. So here you can take two values using this command, select start from customer. If you want to delete all the records from this customer table, Then instead of writing, this is your normal command, delete from customer. This was your previous command where first number equal to 2, for example. Using this command, you are going to delete only this customer number 2 record. This one. If there are one by one, you should know the numbers also. You should know the numbers also of that table. One by one, you will write here number and delete the command. So it will take time. If you want to delete all the records from this or all the records from the Pune city, that logic you will write here only like this, where city is equal to Pune. So it will delete those records where which customers are living in city Pune. So that time you will write this query. But now I want to delete all the record from the table. So here just write delete star. Star means all. Delete star from customer. No need to write where clause because we are going to delete all the records from the customer table. Delete star. Star means all record from customer. Execute. Invalid statement. Delete. नहीं डिलीट हो गया delete 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 star from customer. What happened? Invalid table name. STOVER. What happened? Delete star from customer. BSC customer. Yes, it is available. Delete.
Miss, you had written delete.
Invalid table name. Why it is giving invalid? Is this query run from at your side? Run at your side?
No, ma'am.
Delete from customer. Delete from customer. No need to write star also. This command is changed. Delete from customer. Only this thing you will write. All the records will be deleted from this table. Only records are deleted, not structure. When you will write description BESC, you will get the blank structure over there. Here, sorry, select star from this is your structure. Means structure available means your table is available. Only you have deleted a record from this table. No data found. Table is there, but data is not found. So delete from customer. That is the query to delete all the records from the customer table. Done?
Yes, miss.
Now check the lab book whether we have completed all the part or not. See, insert at least 5 record in the table. First, we have to create the table employee. Go with me. First, create table employee, employee number, name, salary, date of joining, qualification. These are the attributes and answer the following queries. first we have to insert 5 records into table. Then update the salary of employee to 50,000 whose employee number is 1. So you should know, here on the basis of query you have to know that our employee number should be like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is also one number is coming 5. So these numbers should be there into your table because we have to perform these queries. So update the salary of employee to 50,000 whose employee number is 1. Then delete the details of employee whose employee number is 5. So at least these 2 records should be there. Plus check, update the qualification of employee to MCS NET whose name is Mr. Satyavan. So this employee should be there. Remember. Apart from this, you will write this one more employee will be there. Don't write this name under this 1 and 5. So otherwise it will not show any output because here we are going to deleting this thing, employee number 5. So don't write this Mr. Satyavan, add the employee number 5. Next check, update the salary of employee to 40,000 whose qualification is MSc NET. So remember you have to write this qualification also, and name is Ajay. So one more column should be there, one more row should be there whose value, whose name of that employee is Ajay and qualification is MCS NET. So try to complete this first, then you can complete the other 2 part. So create table employee with this field: employee number, name, salary, date of joining and qualification. Do it fast. Create table employee. Create table employee. What we have to write first: employee number. Number. So this is number, so it will take integer type of value. We will make it primary key. Then next is e name. E name bracket. Always try to write so it will be by heart to you. Then salary. We will write number here only. You can write float also, double also. But we will write the number integer. Date of joining. DOJ. Date. Then qualification. It should be text. Qualification should be text. So character 2 in bracket. For example, we will write 15 characters. Then execute this. Give the semicolon at the end of the statement. Execute. Table created. Yes. Have you created table? Yes.
Yes, miss.
Now insert 5 records. Insert 5 records and take care of these values. While inserting that records, take care of that values. 1, 5 should be there for the employee number. Then for the qualification, MCS NET should be there. And these 2 names should be there: Satyavan and Ajay. So insert 5 records. Not necessary 5, you can insert more also. I will write their description first, so you will come to know what type of value we are going to insert. Description to employee. From this, I will get the idea what value I am going to insert into employee table. Insert into employee values. Okay. Here we will insert the values. First 1, then name, then salary 50,000, then date of joining, and qualification. MCS NET. We will write the qualification. No need to change the qualification because there is nothing about other qualification value. So we will write this qualification for every record. Number not a valid month. MMDDYY format. Check format of your month or how to insert the values in month. That also you have to check. How to insert value in table for weight field. DDMMYY. Check your system format, which format it is supporting.
The month should be in the words, ma'am.
DDMMYY format
FEB,
in like this.
FEBS.
So DDMMYY. So here first your date, then month in word, and again year. So same way you can insert 5 more records. So to which record we have to delete number 5. So number 5 should not contain this value. So now I will write this Mr. Satyavan, and qualification will be different. We have to change the qualification as MCS NET. The qualification I will write different over there for the Satyavan. Name Mr. Satyavan. Qualification here we will write MCA. Some part you can change, other things leave it as it is. Execute. Yes, row inserted. Now third row. What about Ajay? What we have to write? Update salary of employee to 40,000 whose qualification means for this Ajay qualification should be MCS NET and his name is Ajay. That we have to write here. So I will write here Ajay for third record. Ajay is written. What value we have to change? Update the salary of employee to 40,000. Change करना है. 50,000 is okay. Here I will write Jan 2010 and here take the qualification. It should be MCS NET. We have to fulfill that criteria which are in the question. So you will show the updation on this record. So Ajay is there and MCS NET is also there. We have to change the value of this salary field. So execute this. Execute it. Now next, now we have to insert this fifth record. No matter now what record you are going to insert. Only fifth record should be there. So we have inserted total 3 record. Now fourth record. What value we are inserting here? No matter. Fourth is done. Now 5. This we have to delete. So 5 records, fifth record should be there. So now I have inserted this. So this insert command you will write, every insert command you will write under this word file. After inserting 5 records, 5 insert command will be there in that word file. Then you can show select start from command. We will show these are the records of my table. Select start from employee. Each and every question you have to write. Insert 5 records means insert 5 insert command you will show in that question. And after inserting, you can take a print screen of this and paste it. There will be that insert 5 commands. 5 commands you will write one by one, and after that 5 commands you can show select star from customer employee table. So all 5 records it will show, because we have to show updation of this table in the next queries. So this is my table. Select star from employee. Now I will apply the other queries on this table. What is first query? Check first query now. This one done. First is done. Now second, update the salary of employee to 50,000 whose employee number is 1. We have already inserted here 50,000. So we will make change. We have to show the implementation. While insertion only we have to write here some other number, but already at the now it is available 50,000, so we will update that value with other value. So update table. What is table name? Employee. Set. What we have to change? Salary. Salary is equal to 50,000 करना था 40,000 करेंगे. Where we can change that? They have given employee number is 1. Whose employee? So E number is equal to 1. So this is the query. Fire this query. Table name. Check the spelling in screen. What was the table name?
Miss, we don't need to write table.
Okay.
Table.
Huh? One row is updated. After this execution of this query, again show select star from employee. Again, you can take the print screen of this and show that. So this is the next query. In this way, you have to show your output. So this is the execution of this query. Done? Done this part?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next query. What is next query? Delete the details of employee whose employee number is 5. So here we have to apply that delete command. Delete from. So write that command. Delete from table name employee where employee number is equal to 5. Execute. One row deleted. This is the query. Paste it in Word file, and after that show table. Write number of this query here. Paste your query and show the result. Now again select star. Only 4 records are there, so take a print screen of this. Show this value to the user. After execution of delete query, these are the records available in the table. So delete from employee whose employee number was 5. Here, this was the employee. I have deleted that record. Okay. Next command. And this part, delete from employee where employee number is equal to 5. Yes, everyone done this part? Now go to the next query. What we have to do, update the qualification of employee. Update the qualification of employee to MCS net whose name is Mr. Satyavan. So here on the basis of name we have to change the qualification. Here we are not using employee number. For this Satyavan we have to change the qualification. Write the query accordingly. Update table. Update employee. What we have to say, qualification is equal to MCS net. That we have to set qualification is equal to MCS net. Where we have to set this qualification, this name, for this name, for e-name. Write the column name over here. For e-name is equal to Mr. Satyavan. Where is this employee? Where is the name of this employee? Here. And what changes we have to do? Change the qualification from MCA to MCS NEET. So execute this. One row updated means this query is working. Paste this query in Word file and show your result. Now select star of employee. Here is your result. Mr. Satyavan is here and we have updated this qualification MCS NEET. So take a print screen of this and paste it here below your query. Done, everyone?
Yes, miss.
Now next query. Update the salary of employee to 40,000. We have to change the salary to 40,000. Kiski, whose qualification is MCS NEET and name is Ajay. So here we are using two queries. In the where clause, we will use two queries that qualification is equal to MCS NEET and name is equal to Ajay. So update query we will write here. Update employee. Then what we have to say, salary is equal to 40,000. Where we have to write that query is given, they have given this constraint that qualification should be MCS NEET and name is equal to Ajay. Write that part. Qualification is equal to MCS NEET. And one more condition is there. This employee name should be Ajay. Column name is equal to value Ajay. End of the statement. Execute. query executed. So take a copy paste it on Word file. Now check the output using select star from employee. Check for the Ajay. Ajay is here, whose salary was 50,000 before. Now it becomes 40,000. And this was the condition. We have to check this condition. Qualification, MCS NET and Ajay. We will write one more, we will insert one more statement for this Ajay only, but whose qualification is not MCS NET. Done this part? Salary is changed.
Yes, miss.
Take a print screen first, then we will apply that other statement. Take a print screen, and so this your first question is complete for this exercise. So you have to complete remaining part like this. Then I will give you Google Classroom question. That time you have to upload this Word files. Then done with this question. Now I'm giving you one more example. If Ajay is there twice, so we will insert one more record. Insert into employee values. 5 is not there, so we can insert 5 more. Ajay, and inserting one more time Ajay. Then salary 30,000. Qualification is net. All things are common. Again, MCS net is there. No, we will change something. MCS net is not MCS only. But we have to write logic. We will take the two condition over there.
Date. Date.
Here, na?
Yes.
After salary, na?
Yes.
One row inserted. Now select start from employee again. Now we have two Ajay in this table with the different values of qualification. What we have to change now, we will change the salary to 50,000 for the Ajay and whose qualification is MCS NET. So write that query, update employee, set salary equal to 50,000. Where we have to do, take the name and qualification. Where qualification equal to MCS NET and e-name. E-name equal to Ajay. This will work on only this row because we are checking and condition. So both conditions should be true. If there is a or in between, if there is a or, then both value will update. So here I will execute first this and query, then we will execute or one. So here salary is equal to 50,000 where qualification is equal to MCS NET and e-name is equal to Ajay. So one row updated, I will copy paste this part because we have to show the or condition also. So here take select star from employee. Only this row value is changed to 50,000. salary is 50,000 for this Ajay, not for this Ajay. So many Ajay are there, but we can't change the value for this second Ajay because that Ajay should be MCS net. We are checking both the condition. But if there is or, then it will change the value at two side, both side. So here we will change the value to 70,000 where qualification is equal to MCS net or. So here it will not change the value for this particular Ajay only. Wherever there is a qualification of MCS net, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there. That will also affect because of or condition. Either this or this. If employee has completed this qualification, he will get 70,000. Plus, we are checking for this Ajay also. Suppose this Ajay has not completed this MCS net. He has just clear MCS. Then also he will get the salary of 70,000 because we have written that logic. So execute this. So everywhere, I think everywhere salary will be now 70,000 for all rows. 5 rows affected. Check. All rows updated now. So check, select R from employee. Select R from employee and execute. Everywhere you will see this effect because of that or condition. Or either this or second condition should be true in the or. But if there is and in between two condition, then both conditions should be true. Then it will execute the statement. Clear this part?
Yes, miss.
Okay. We will stop here only.